welcome back to Our Family B. This video is going to be all about our Sunday, which is my day off, and so we are meal prepping. We've got a Walmart grocery pickup that Benjamin is so kindly putting on the table because he wanted to film. It's not a huge haul, but it is most of the ingredients that I will need for the week for meal prepping, minus like all the pantry stuff that we kind of had, so it's just fresh produce and some refrigerator stuff. So I'm going to show you that and then show you what I'm meal prepping, and it's going to be good, so let's get into it. Okay, this is the haul. I will show you the total at the end, but basically lots of produce and stuff. So we usually do meat and dairy, produce, vegetables, and processed stuff at the end. So right here, what do we have, Benjamin? Heavy whipping cream. This is for our coffee. I wanted to make sure we did not run out because we have only maybe half of one left. We have some sausage links. This is for breakfast for the kids. And now moving on to fruit and produce. We've got 4 bananas here. We've got some apples because Benjamin loves apples. No. Yes, you do. We've got some organic carrots for salads and such. Speaking of salads, we've got some romaine lettuce that I will mix with this after I chop it, and some baby spinach. Yeah, they look good. And then also I've got some cilantro for a recipe, and also that's good on salads. And we've got some of these mandarin cutie oranges, and we've got some tomatoes for salads and such, and I've got some limes for a recipe, and we've got a cheese pizza for pizza night, which is Friday nights. I've got some organic all-purpose flour. I'm making my own sourdough starter, which I have done before. I started it yesterday, and it takes like a week to do it from scratch, and it's not organic, it's just all-purpose flour, and I don't remember if it's like unbleached or anything like that, so I figured I would just also do it with this organic one, because then it's going to be organic, and then as you feed it or whatever, it's going to be all organic. So I think I'm going to also do it with this, or I don't know, throw the other one out. I don't know. It's not even been 24 hours for the other one, so might just start over. I don't know. I've also got some deodorant for Brandon. So that is all of the haul, you guys. Here is the total. We've got little Brielle over here eating her breakfast because I dragged her out of bed. I mean, she had plenty of sleep. It was like 8 o'clock. And then we went to go get this. I've got lots of meal prepping going over here. So let me show you. Got some rice that I'm going to do later with some coconut milk. I think it will be fine. I got some black beans in here that I just did. So never made beans in the Instant Pot, but I did that. Here's my sourdough starter. You can see it's already bubbling, which is cool. So I don't know, maybe I'll just keep that. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I have made it before, and I always use the recipe from farmhouseonboone.com. Her way of starting it, it's super easy. It's just flour and water, and it takes like the bacteria and stuff from the air, and it makes a sourdough starter, so it's cool. And I did some chicken in here last night, which I'll show you later. Pancakes we did yesterday morning. All right, so I have some other meal prepping stuff that I did this morning super early, so I'll show you that when we get back from church. Right now we gotta get ready, and I gotta put this stuff away, and so I'll see you in a bit. Okay, the kitchen is a disaster, but I'm gonna show you what I've been meal prepping all day. Just kind of in and out, you know, between the kids, and we have a project going outside. Kids are eating dinner right now. Oh my gosh, did I get sun? No. Anyway, so right now, let me show you. Okay, here are my salads for the week. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My salad for dinner. So in it, I have a romaine mix package that I divided up between all. Then I put this other like green leaf lettuce and divided it up between all, and then I added some baby spinach on top. Then I cut cherry tomatoes from here, and I had shredded carrots, organic ones, and then I also have cheddar cheese. Hi, Brielle. And onion. I already put the other onion away. And so I'm going to just bring a big thing of dressing and keep it in the fridge at work. Back here I have some bratwurst defrosting. It's pretty defrosted. I'm going to put it in the fridge for a second. I might cook that up tonight. I also have some beef defrosting from the freezer to make for stuff this week. We got a bunch of fruit from the Walmart grocery pickup order we did. I was using the Instant Pot all day today. Benjamin's over here getting some macaroni and cheese. Third helping. Yum. Okay, so let me show. Huh? What?
This mac and cheese is so good. If you
So
have
good.
it at home, you can heat it up.
Yeah, it's Annie's mac and cheese, the white one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let me show you what's in my freezer. Sorry, fridge. Let me show you what's in my fridge. And somehow I have to fit this all in. So we have leftover potatoes, but I made this, which is quinoa. I toasted it in the Instant Pot and then mixed it with water and cooked it for like 1 minute and then natural released for 15 minutes. I also cooked some black beans from dried. I soaked them overnight and then cooked them for, I don't know, whatever the black bean setting is on the Instant Pot. I threw in some, hold on buddy. I threw in some salsa on top and some cilantro. So I have 3 of those for either dinners or to bring for lunch. And I made some cheesy eggs right here. And I threw some bacon crumbles on top that we had left over. So I will heat that up every morning basically and have that. We have some asparagus to cook tonight or in the next couple of nights. Watermelon left over. Here is the ranch I made. I used the recipe from Our Tribe of Many and it's really good. So it's Greek yogurt and mayonnaise and their own seasoning that she put on the video and I just screenshot it. So in the crock pot last night, I made this. Doesn't look very appetizing, but it's shredded chicken breast, some cream cheese, and I have riced cauliflower in there. And I mixed it all up. I think I added some seasonings too. I can't remember, some kind of seasonings. So I have that with this. So there's that chicken from the crock pot. Then there's this cilantro coconut milk rice. And then I have lime to like squeeze on top of it. So this will be either for like a dinner at home that I can just heat up, or I'll bring it and probably eat like half of it plus, you know, a salad that I made for lunch at work. The salad just doesn't quite fill me up, so I need a little bit of carbs and protein. And, you know, I work hard at work. So I have that. Plus with the salads, where are they? This is extra coconut milk, cilantro, lime, rice. Where are they? Oh, down here. So I also have hard-boiled eggs, which I did in the Instant Pot, that I put one with every salad. So we have some fruit in here, some plums from last week, some blueberries and strawberries. Strawberries we definitely have to eat up. They're underneath. And here's one more hard-boiled egg, so that's 5 for the week.
I have to make some more of this.
Yeah. Here's some kale that I might saute up this week. It's really good with a little bit of soy sauce.
I have to make more. I'm still hungry and there's no more.
Okay, we will. And, okay, so let's put this back here. It's like a okay. It's like a Tetris game trying to fit everything back in here. We have some leftover pizza.
Pizza.
We have some keto noodles that I'm probably going to make a white sauce and have this with the ground beef that I'm thawing one night, and also for Brandon. Pancakes here for the kids for a couple mornings. This is just coffee milk and heavy whipping cream. Cilantro back there that I have in water because it stays a lot better that way. Kids milk. Lots of cheese in here. So that is pretty much a little fridge tour and what I'm meal prepping. Oh, you're getting some now too? Good thing this is not really hot. Okay. All right, all done. Go finish eating. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Spoon. Okay. All right, go sit down. Hot. Yeah, I don't know why you were touching that. Okay, come here. No, don't touch. Messy hands. Oh my goodness. Okay, sit down. You gotta go sit down. Come on. Little table, come on.
Where did you get that from?
Okay, sit down. Okay, what else? So I did my sourdough starter for the second night. So I just mixed more flour with it and water. You know, I dumped half out and then I Did another cup of flour, another cup of water. That is done. And yeah, so that's what I've got thus far. It's been a little crazy today. No, there's no more. I always have frozen vegetables in the freezer, and pizza night is always Friday night. So as long as I have meals and then I can just kind of mix and match, it generally works better because I don't know if I will always get out on time, which is very frustrating for my planner self, but it's a season. And so I just make whatever's easiest that night. And as long as I have stuff pre-made or chopped or whatever, it's a lot easier. So let me put this stuff away, fit it into the fridge, and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat. We're eating an early dinner. Brandon's working late tonight, and so we're gonna get the kids in bed on time so I can edit Tuesday's video because it's Sunday. So soon we will update you on what we've been doing outside, a little project we have. But for now, I'm gonna go eat. In all the chaos of the day, I never ended that video. So here's your ending. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss when we post new videos. What are you meal planning and prepping this week? Leave a comment down below. Until we meet again, don't forget, life is better together.